Good morning, Scratch Kitchen. How are you guys doing? How is October treating you so far? Now, I have a wonderful list of things I want to cook and prepare and try and record as much as possible for you. Now, you know that a lot of YouTubers, we will, the best intentions, make a wonderful plan, have it ready, and then life just kind of goes like this, you know? So, week 1, definitely going to be chili, the way I grew up eating it. I'm going to make a nasi goreng from the Fire Islands cookbook I reviewed last week. You're going to see a lot more of those too. Cookbook reviews from all over the world. Now, I'm going to try and do a Hainanese chicken and rice. It is from the Hainan area of China. But what I'm going to show you is how to set up a seasoning bag. You just take a little cheesecloth bag, put all your seasonings in it, secure it, throw it in your pot, let it boil, let it rock, okay? Now, week 2, I'm going to show you, without a doubt, this marinade that I made and put on chicken. It was so good. I couldn't believe it. It's lemongrass blender marinade. I'm going to record the marinade itself. And then I'm going to show you the finished product on salmon. Because it's just going to be easier. And yeah, I got corn husk soaking. My tamales for Antonio for today. And I'm also going to do Peruvian cilantro rice. And you're going to see a lot of rice chicken. Or rice chicken and beans. Stuff like this. Because this is stuff that you get all the time at your food pantries. And it's so easy to make. Now, week 3 will be a chicken and rice from Spain. I'll leave a link to the cookbook and a comparable recipe. Which one I gotta do? Finish doing that. And I'm gonna do a Saudi style chicken and rice. I'm gonna do a review for the cookbooks I get these out of. Now for week 4, there'll be a slow cooked chicken and rice from Iraq. And a chicken and rice Portuguese style. And I'm going to, my nose is itching so bad. I'm going to do a goulash. No, you know what? I don't think I'm going to do that one. But I think I've got enough. I think 2 to 3 videos a week is really going to be enough to show. So, besides, I'm gonna take the fried rice off, the nasi goreng off, because I want to work with it a little bit more. Get a little more familiar with it. The other ones are gonna be easy to do. Alright guys, I will see you later.